2021 Chevrolet Colorado. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll enjoy first-class features that create a premium environment, such as Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, 4-wheel drive, backup camera, power driver seat, Bluetooth, keyless entry, front bucket seats, steering wheel audio controls, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auto-dimming rearview mirror, auxiliary input, aluminum wheels, leather-wrapped steering wheel. Call us, we'll help you take home your favorite vehicle.